JUMP Math's mission is to enhance the potential in children by encouraging an understanding and a love of math in students and educators. The JUMP program, Junior Undiscovered Math Prodigies, developed by John Mighton, aims to close the gap between highest and lowest achieving students by enhancing their confidence in math skills. The JUMP Math program is designed for students of all abilities in grades 1 through 8, including students experiencing mathematical apprehension or difficulties.
An average JUMP classroom actively involves students in whole class lessons for around 4 to 5 days a week, using a guided discovery approach that collectively engages children in their exciting discoveries. Each math concept is broken down into small manageable steps where the level of difficulty is slowly increased to enable independent practice, while the teacher provides guidance, feedback, frequent assessments, and explicit instruction throughout the process. JUMP Math is recommended by the Canadian Language and Literacy Research Network as a program that offers educators complete and balanced materials, as well as training, to help teachers reach all students. The extensive materials designed for the JUMP program form the core of the program itself. Lesson plans cover the full curriculum, including ideas for contextualizing mathematical concepts, questions for formative assessment, problems and challenges which allow students to develop concepts, investigate, practice mental math exercises to develop their computational fluency and automatic recall of facts, and includes extension questions for students who finish their work early. A variety of games and activities for use with concrete materials are also provided. At the end of each lesson, JUMP workbooks should be used to help teachers assess whether the lesson was well understood.
Although there is limited data demonstrating the long-term benefits of JUMP Math, teachers are able to gain a sense of their students' existing math understanding and progressively introduce new skills and concepts through monitored steps and gradual increases in difficulty. Each JUMP Math lesson and workbook includes Ontario-aligned curriculum, and they include 2 grade-specific workbooks. So this one is the Book 4, Part 1 of 2, and there's some great problem solving with patterns in here that include meaningful problems that students can solve. And some of the benefits of these is that they're easy to use for students and teachers, and parents can use these at home to help students with their homework. And they touch on a unit per book. So in a school year, you'll be touching on this same unit twice, which really helps students for consistent practice. And research points out, Brosvik and Epstein, 2007, note that ongoing assessment and regular consistent feedback is really important for students, so they can help self-correct and they can notice when they're making a mistake and they can learn right away from that. And it's also important, Burton 2010 notes that the use of games, when teachers use games to help students learn math concepts, it can be meaningful for the student and can help them learn some concepts that may have been difficult for them. And it's proven in research that this can help them build their math skills.
In their 2011 study, Solomon, Martinussen, Dupuy, Gervin, Shaban, Tannock and Ferguson used the mathematics fluency and calculation subscales of the Woodcock-Johnson 3. They found significant positive effects of the JUMP program on children's achievement scores. 165 JUMP students and 107 control students of equal gender representation were monitored pre- and post-intervention, and the effect sizes ranged from 0.3 to 0.5. Effect size is a way of quantifying the difference between 2 groups and determining how well the intervention works across contexts. An effect size of 0.3 means that 62% of the control group received lower scores than the average student in the JUMP group, and when the effect size goes up to 0.5, that means that 69% of the control group received lower scores than the average student in the JUMP program.
To conclude, although the JUMP Math program may not be for everyone, and the research is limited to date, there are a number of benefits to using JUMP Math in your classroom. For example, it's straightforward, it's easy to use for teachers and students, it's great for teaching students of all levels of ability, and it builds self-confidence in students with mathematical learning disabilities. Try JUMP Math in your classroom today.